Study the information carefully and answer the questions given below. In a certain code language, Mumbai boy Kush Bhagat is coded as 213, 30, 61, 213. Title by World Chess is coded as 128, 5, 128, 128. And so on, right? Western Asian Youth Championship is coded as 346, 128, 128, 1725. And then first ever Indian to claim the is coded as 128, 61, 213, 5, 128, 30. So now answer the following questions with respect to the pattern of coding followed above. So, observe 4 words, 4 numbers, right? Here we have got like 6 words and 6 numbers. So clearly, 1 number per word. And if you observe, interestingly, there are some numbers which are same. Like for example, in the first line of statement that we have here, Mumbai boy Kush Bhagat, we have got 2 common numbers, 213 and 213. Similarly, the second one, if you see 128, 128, 128, all 3 are common. Here again, in the third statement, we have got 128 common. Right here, we have got 128 common. So maybe that should help us identify one. It should give us some hint, right? Mumbai boy Kush Bhagat. So I think interestingly, if you observe, Mumbai, in terms of words, nothing is common. Like the numbers are common here, but words are all different. But what is common in the words is the number of letters. If you see, Mumbai has got 6 letters. Bhagat has also got 6 letters. Similarly here, 128, 128, 128. 3 same numbers, right? If you look at title, world and chess, all these 3 have got 5 letters each. 5 letter words. Right? Here this Asian and youth, both have got 5 letters. Similarly here again, if you see first and claim have got 5 letters each. So clearly, if the word has got 5 letters, the code is 128. Yes or no? Can we not say that now? Wherever we've got 5 letters, the code came out to be 128. Wherever we've got 6 letters, the code is 213. We can now connect it, right? Mumbai is 213, Bhagat is 213, world, title, chess, all are 128 and so on. So 6 letters, it is 213. 5 letters, it's 128. Then based on that, I can say, and also it looks like it's a direct mapping, right? If you see 2-letter word, it is 5. So if there are 2 letters, the code is 5. From the, here again, boy and Kush, 2 words are there, 3 letter and 4 letters, and the codes are 30 and 61. Now, in a general case, we can say boy could be either 30 or 61, Kush could be 61 or 30. But since it is a direct mapping, it looks like a direct mapping, we can say that boy is 30 and Kush is 61. Also, the point is, if you observe, as we increase the number of letters, the code also increases. 2 letters, 5. 5 letters, 128. 6 letters, 213. So based on that, if it is 3 letters and 4 letter word, and the codes are 30 and 61, for 3 letters it should be 30, for 4 letters it should be 61. You understand? More letters, higher the value. So for 3 letters it should be 30. For 4 letters it should be 61. And I think so on. Again here you see, that one more way to verify is that 4 letter here, 61. 3 letters here, 30. 6 letters, 213. 2 letters, 5. So that's it, right? Again, 346 and 1725 are new codes here, but yeah. You see, Western has got 7 letters. 7-letter word, 346. Championships have got how many letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 12. 12-letter word, 1725. I think easy that way, right? Just find out based on the common words and numbers. But there should be some logic also, right? It's easy to answer this question because Tantra has got 6 letters. Britain has got 7 letters. And Asparagus has got how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for 9 letters we don't know. But 6 letters it should be 213. And 7 letters it has to be... 7 letters also do we know? No. 7 letters it has to be 346. You see, Western has got 346. 7 letters is 346. 7 letters 346. So answer should have 213 and 346. 213 and 346. So first one is eliminated. Second one has got 213, 346. This is eliminated. Can't be determined is eliminated. None of this, of course, is always possible. So for 9 letters, it could be 732. So either B or E. Let me give you the logic. We have tried doing some common word types and all that, but the logic goes as follows. This 213, if you actually see, is like, something related to 6. If you observe, 213 is very close to 6 cube. 6 cube minus 3. 216 minus 3. 128 is like 5 cube plus 3. 5 is like 2 cube minus 3. 30 is like 3 cube plus 3. 61 is 4 cube minus 3. 7, this is like 7 cube. You know 7 cube is 343 plus 3. So look at it. 6 letters, 6 cube. 5 letters, 5 cube. 2 letters, 2 cube. 3 letters, 3 cube. 4 letters, 4 cube. 7 letters, 7 cube. Plus or minus 3. How is that decided? Simple. If you observe in all the even numbers, we have taken minus 3. 6, 2, 4, you see minus 3. So if it is even number of letters, you go for minus 3. Odd number of letters. In all the other cases, odd cases, right? 5 letters plus 3. 3 letters plus 3. 7 letters plus 3, right? Odd number of letters, you take plus 3. So based on that, for 9, what should be the code? 9 cube. 9 cube, odd number of letters, right? Plus 3. 9 cube plus 3. 9 cube is 729. 729 plus 3, 732. Correct. So option B would be the answer. Right? Answer can be determined. That's the reason we have marked option 4 as wrong. Cannot be determined is wrong because answer can be determined. Look at the next one. I think there's one more question based on the same thing, right? Same logic, same code. He's asking us to find out 509 is most probably the code for what? 509. Now 509, go by the understanding, right? 509. How can you get 509? 509 is close to what cube? 509 is like 8 cube, right? 8 cube minus 3. 8 cube minus 3. And yes, we know that for even number of letters, we have to take minus 3. So 8 cube, that means there should be 8 letters. Implies it has to be 8-letter word. 8-letter word, right? So 8 letters, find out. Charismatic is clearly more than 8 letters. Cough is 6 letters. Comedian has got 8 letters, so possible. Chariot has got 7 letters, eliminated. Culprit has got 7 letters, eliminated. So comedian, option C is the answer.